Wednesday, August 4th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Something different today. Changing this light fixture. And this one over here. Management ordered some new ones. So out with the old, in with the new. Sorry about how dim it is. There's this green streak that keeps showing up in my shots. So I'm trying to avoid it. Let's see what we got. See some poles. Okay. What else do we have? Another piece here. This is pretty much the whole thing when you think about it. Okay. Looks like we got the bulbs here. I think I'm ready. Looks good. I don't know if you know this, but I'm a big fan of one-page directions. Before I do anything, I'm going to locate the power that's going to the lights in the kitchen and cut it off. Well, this light is off. Let's double check. Okay. Problem is, I wanted to start with this light. Okay. This is off. Let's double check. I don't have a tester. Get one if you don't have one. I'm breaking the rules. That's off. I know these are off. So everything is going according to plan. I'll use the light from the window. Refrigerator's still on. It's on its own breaker. So that's a good thing, I guess. Won't have to worry about the food going bad. I don't know how long this is going to take me. I don't think I'd be able to do this without the light coming in. Let's grab the light fixture. Open it up. See what we got. Bring it over here. Got to take a look at the directions. Let's look at the first step. Okay, we're just simply screwing it together. Looks simple. Let's give it a try. If you use scissors to cut the cable ties, be careful. I don't want you to accidentally cut any wires. Try to force the wiring in the hub, and then you can start screwing on the parts. Again, just force the wiring inside these hubs and just tighten the stuff up. There's nothing to it. When you're finished, it should look something like this. Next, I'll thread the wires through one of the tubes. You can use the pole of your choice, long, short. You can go even longer if you like. Guess it depends on the height of your ceiling. I decided to use a short pole. Think that'll work best. You should twist the wires first, then thread it through the pole. You can untie them or untwist them when you pull them out of the other end of the pole. And when you do that, you can screw the pole onto the hub. What's next? All right, here we go. Secure the mounting bracket. Okay. We're going to secure the bracket if we have a junction box. If not, there's some other stuff to do. Please read the directions. I'm not an electrician, by the way. Here's the soon-to-be old fixture held by the hot wire and the neutral wire. See some wire nuts. Let's take it down. Here's the ground wire. Okay, the black one is hot. White is neutral. So far, so good. Bracket is here. Wire nuts, cap for it, screws. Appears that there is a junction box. See some holes. I'll line up the bracket with the holes. This is the position I want it in. I want the screws to go in one direction and the holes to the cap in the opposite direction. I put the screws in halfway so you'll get an idea of what this should look like. Do you see this screw? You can wrap the ground wire around the screw and then secure it with a screwdriver. I'll twist the wires together so I can thread it through the cap. Don't panic when you get to this part. The thread unscrews from the pole. I think 2 of these poles are the same. One doesn't have any thread. So when you take this thread off, you'll be able to screw the cap into the pole. I think this one doesn't have anything. This one does. So keep that in mind when you do this. Everything will be okay. See? No need to worry. Just like I said. Now take a deep breath. Use a ladder or stack a bunch of boxes on top of each other if you don't have anyone to help you, so you can twist the wires together. Again, white is neutral. Match the colors. This isn't black, but it's hot. And I'll wrap the ground around the screw. I can do a better job securing the ground. Now I'll take some caps and twist them onto the ends of the wires. The new wire nuts seemed to be too small. I ended up using the old ones instead. I'll force or push the neutral and hot wire into the junction box. This is what it'll look like after you secure the cap. I'll use 1 bulb just to test it out. See if all my hard work finally paid off. Again, I haven't done anything like this before. I don't really mess with electricity. This could go extremely well, or this might be my last video. If so, you guys have been great. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the comments. Take care. Let's give it a try. Guys, I just do the labor. The round piece I had wasn't an actual bulb. Management didn't order any. Anybody can order a light fixture, but the key to it all are the bulbs. We're going to come back to this. You guys take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.